This is the universal adapter from Thommen Medical. It is made from stainless steel and designed to accept latch-type devices from virtually every dental implant manufacturer. The adapter can be used as a handheld instrument, or it can be used in concert with the Red Dot Design award-winning MONO Torque Ratchet. Designed for both surgical and prosthetic use, the MONO Torque Ratchet is manufactured from a solid billet of high-strength, corrosion-resistant titanium alloy. The one-piece construction dramatically simplifies regular maintenance as there are no moving parts to disassemble for cleaning. One-piece mono construction, simple maintenance and sterilization, ergonomic design, a universal device for virtually every dental implant system. The MONO Torque Ratchet from Thommen Medical, one of the most accurate and dependable torque devices in the industry.